Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower yesterday and we're lower again to start the day so far this morning. Technical selling, fund liquidation, one of the main reasons we're lower as well. Also got a pretty big sell-off in the corn market yesterday, and that's continuing this morning for the reasons we just noted. Also, winter wheat seedings came in a little lower than expected, or quite a bit lower than expected, over 1 million acres lower than what the trade was guessing. So that's opening up the thought that a lot of farmers are going to be planting more corn this upcoming year, as they'll have the availability to do it due to acres not being taken up by wheat. So typically, if you do winter wheat, you can plant soybeans later on the ground that you had winter wheat. Well, if you're not going to have as much winter wheat as we initially thought they would, some of that space will be cleared up to plant corn, because the profitability ratio on corn and soybeans is pretty much even right now. Now, if we see it trend one way or the other before seedings go in, that could obviously change, but as of right now, that's the way it looks, and that's probably why we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off, a little more than people were expecting in the corn market, just due to the fact you got some analysts propping up their planted acre estimates for this upcoming corn crop. So other than that, that's really all we've got for today. Again, selling due to fund liquidation, speculator liquidation, and then of course technical selling as well. Weather over in South America is leaning a little bearish as well, as some of the areas that were forecasted to be dry are getting some rain. So this will be the last Wilkins Ag Wire for the week. I'm out for the remainder of the week, going down to Kansas City for the Van Trump Report Winter Conference. So if any of you watch that and will be there, look forward to meeting you. Come up, introduce yourself. It'd be good to talk to you. Otherwise, we will see you this upcoming Monday. So thanks. Have a great rest of your week.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker, who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.